In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create motion graphics product promotion in Canva. 5 minutes, open Canva and sign in so everything saves as you go. We'll build a short, punchy promo that's perfect for social feeds and ads. Start by choosing a video format that matches your platform, like a square or vertical video, or open a ready-made video template to speed things up. Templates are great for structure, but feel free to customize everything. Set a background that fits your brand, solid color, gradient, or a subtle texture, and drop in a few simple shapes to create sections. These blocks help frame your product, price, and tagline. Keep spacing consistent and stick to 2 or 3 colors for a clean look. Upload your food photos, remove the background for a clean cutout, and resize and position them over your shapes. Nudge them slightly off center for a dynamic layout. If you're using background remover, refine the edges for a polished result, then keep important details inside safe margins so nothing gets cropped. Select an image, click animate, and choose motion like pop, pan, or baseline to bring your product to life. Keep movements short and consistent across elements so the design feels cohesive rather than chaotic. Add depth with shadows. Go to Edit Photo, Open Shadows, and tweak blur, transparency, and angle. You can animate shadows too for a subtle lift when the product appears. Bring in your text, a bold headline, a short tagline, and clear brand info. Use font pairing with contrast. One bold, one clean, and keep copy tight. High contrast colors ensure readability. Animate your text with effects like typewriter, ascend, or burst. Adjust speed so each line appears in rhythm, and avoid animating every line the same way to create a nice staggered flow. From the Elements tab, add accents like stars, leaves, or lines. Scale them small, color them to match your palette, and animate with wiggle, wipe, or neon for playful flair without clutter. Duplicate your page and make slight variations. Shift the photo, swap the headline order, or move accents. This builds momentum across scenes. Between pages, apply the match and move transition so elements smoothly track from one layout to the next. Set a short duration for snappy pacing. Open show timing and stagger your animations so they play in sequence. If you're adding music, align key reveals to the beat, add background music or soft sound effects, and set levels so the visuals stay center stage. Finally, download your promo as an MP4, choose high quality, and preview before posting. You're done.